Assalamualaikum, welcome to English Insights with Atif. In last video we discussed the mnemonic technique, a trick that helps us to remember the new words. In today's video we are gonna discuss another method of building the vocabulary, and the method is replacing the common words with advanced or uncommon words. And it's gonna be very interesting and easy method as compared to other methods. Why it is easy? Because in this method you are not supposed to see the context of these words, because you already know the context of these common words. All you have to do is to simply replace these common words with advanced new words. So this trick is going to be very much instrumental and lucrative. So let's get it started. The first word we have is problem, a very common word in our life, problem. So if we just replace this word with a new word or advanced word, we have is conundrum, or enigma, dilemma. Let's see the example sentence. Pakistan faces a serious conundrum in balancing economic growth with rising inflation. हुकूमत को मुआशी तरक्की और बढ़ती हुई महंगाई के बीच में जो बैलेंस करने में बहुत ही संगीन मसले का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, को फेस करना पड़ रहा है. तो सीरियस कंडम मतलब प्रॉब्लम. So it's not necessary to use problem in every sentence or in every context. So this is a technique that we are supposed to use different words in different contexts, right? The next word we have is conflict. Conflict कहते हैं हम fight को. तो conflict पे कहते हैं an advanced word for this conflict is that is mostly used in the dawn newspaper is imbroglio, mess, chaos. So imbroglio is the most advanced word. Let's see the example sentence we have. The government caught in a political imbroglio after the leaked document went viral. हुकूमत जो है वो एक सियासी मसले में फंस गई, सियासी अफरा तफरी में फंस गई जब खुफिया दस्तावेज वायरल हो गए. ठीक है. अच्छा, इम्ब्रोग्लियो को हम इस तरह भी कह सकते हैं, कश्मीर इम्ब्रोग्लियो या कश्मीर कॉन्ट्रम भी कह सकते हैं, कश्मीर का मसला, कश्मीर का झगड़ा. अच्छा, अब ये मसले और झगड़ों की बात हो गई. अगर हम सोल्यूशन की बात करें तो इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग दिस वर्ड कॉमन वर्ड सोल्यूशन, लेट्स सी द न्यू वर्ड फॉर दिस. द सब्स्टिट्यूट वर्ड इज पेनेसिया, रेमेडी, elixir, panacea. Let's see the example sentence. Education is not a panacea, but it's a powerful tool to fight poverty and ignorance. इसका मतलब है कि तालीम हर मसले का हल तो नहीं है, बट ये poverty मीन्स गुर्बत और ignorance जहालत से लड़ने का एक मौसर जरिया जरूर है. एक और मिसाल देखते हैं. Some people think of laughter as an elixir for a stressful life. कुछ लोग जो है वो हंसी को परेशान जिंदगी का हल समझते हैं, elixir समझते हैं. ठीक है जी, solution समझते हैं. So you can see that we have learned almost 10 new words just by replacing those common words that we use in everyday life. So it's kind of boring to use those common words every day in every context. So replace them with the new words and add a new charm and color to your language. Hope you like the video. If you like it, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.